The enchanting world of fennec foxes. The fennec fox Vulpes zerta is a small, nocturnal fox species native to the deserts of North Africa, particularly the Sahara Desert. Fennec foxes are the smallest species of canid, typically weighing between 2 to 3.5 pounds. They have a distinctive, creamy or sandy-colored coat that helps them blend in with the desert environment. Their fur is long and dense to provide insulation from the hot daytime temperatures and cold nights. One of the most striking features of the fennec fox is its large ears, which can be as long as 6 inches. These ears serve as effective radiators to dissipate heat, allowing them to stay cool in the desert heat. They have large, expressive eyes adapted for night vision, helping them hunt in low-light conditions. Fennec foxes have a bushy tail with a black tip, and it aids in balance and communication. Fennec foxes are well adapted to arid environments and are found in sandy deserts and semi-arid regions. These foxes are primarily nocturnal, which means they are most active during the night. This behavior helps them avoid the extreme daytime temperatures of their desert habitat. Fennec foxes are skilled diggers and create elaborate underground burrows to escape the heat and predators during the day. Their diet consists mainly of insects, small mammals, and birds. They are also known to eat fruits and plants. While they are often seen in pairs or small family groups, fennec foxes can be solitary or social, depending on factors such as food availability and territory. Their large ears help dissipate heat and regulate body temperature in the hot desert environment. Fennec foxes can obtain much of their water needs from the food they consume, reducing their reliance on external water sources. Fennec foxes typically breed once a year, and their mating season can vary depending on environmental factors such as food availability and temperature. Courtship behavior involves vocalizations, such as soft whining or chattering sounds, and physical displays like grooming. Pairs may engage in mutual grooming as a form of bonding. Fennec foxes are known for forming monogamous pairs, and these pairs often stay together for life. However, in captivity, they may exhibit more flexible social structures. After mating, the female has a gestation period of about 50 to 52 days. The female gives birth to a litter of typically 2 to 5 kits, although litters of up to 9 have been reported. The kits are born blind and deaf, and their eyes and ears open after about 2 weeks. Both parents participate in caring for the offspring. The female provides milk for the kits, and as they grow, the male may assist in hunting and protecting the family. Like many other canids, fennec foxes use scent marking to communicate. They have scent glands located on their cheeks, which they use to mark territory and signal reproductive status. Mutual grooming is a common behavior during courtship and bonding. It helps strengthen the pair bond and may also serve to reinforce social hierarchies within a group. The oversized ears of the fennec fox serve multiple purposes. They help dissipate heat, allowing the fox to stay cool in the desert, and they also enhance their hearing, aiding in the detection of prey and potential predators. Fennec foxes are primarily nocturnal, which means they are most active during the night. This behavior helps them avoid the extreme daytime temperatures of their desert habitat. Their diet includes a variety of foods such as insects, small mammals, birds, and fruits. Fennec foxes are well adapted to extracting moisture from their food, reducing their dependence on external water sources. Fennec foxes are skilled diggers and create elaborate burrows in the sand. These burrows serve as shelter from the heat and protection from predators. They also have long, thick hair that insulates them during cold nights and protects them from hot sun during the day. Even the fox's feet are hairy, which helps them perform like snowshoes and protects them from extremely hot sand. The fox's feet are also effective shovels for frequent digging. Fennec foxes live in underground dens. These foxes are cream-colored with black-tipped tails. Their adorable appearance makes them favorites of the captive pet trade, and local peoples also hunt the fennec fox for its fur. Little is known about the status of wild fennec fox populations.